The world is a wondrous place. At iAM Global Education, we believe that everyone across the entire planet, regardless of age, race, gender, or country of origin, is capable of brilliance and should have access to the education and the life that will allow them to shape their world. At iAM Global Education, we believe that the entire world is their classroom. iAM Global Education's American High School Diploma program delivers the tools and resources students need to earn a high school diploma. From innovative curriculums to the flexibility to work at their own pace and schedule, iAM Global Education's variety of online classes keep students motivated and energized as they meet their degree requirements. iAM Global Education's Pathways to Citizenship program delivers the tools and resources applicants need to navigate the complexities of United States immigration, from how to complete required documentation to helping applicants best prepare and present themselves at interviews. iAM Global Education can help maximize their chances of success during the United States immigration process. iAM Global Education's professional development solutions and consulting programs deliver the tools and resources educators need to transform their classrooms into 21st century learning centers. From technology integration to classroom retooling to curriculum revamping, our proven methods revitalize learning environments and energize teachers while putting students at the center of it all. Whether it's online courses, on-site workshops, or tailored packages for educators, part-time or full-time online classes for students to earn their American high school diploma, or online courses or self-help tutorials for United States immigration applicants, iAM Global Education is the premier education solution. We truly believe in making the world a better place through education. iAM Global Education, your world, your time, your place. Visit iamglobaleducation.com to get started,